everyone. Welcome to the national race. You can see the tow truck at the bottom. Hold on. Let me turn around so you guys can see. There's the tow truck.
Race is against the race truck against the fire department today.
All right, now let's start.
Oh!
The winner was
Let's see.
truck. Got the farthest.
That. It's done.
The truck got the farthest, guys. All right, now let's have another race. John, would you pick a person? Who else do you want to race? Fire truck lost, so he can't race. So let's take him to do the next race. So do you want to do tow truck against him or tow truck against fire truck?
Tow truck against fire truck, but he's going down real quick. Cause he gotta go. His mom is here. His mom's here, cause she says she gotta be having lunch for him. Down at the bottom.
All right, now let's start the race. Let's make the truck make the noise for us. It was a tie. All right, guys. We'll see you again.
The natural way.
We'll see you again
No,
next
it's not
time.
done.
Bye. No, it is done.
What?
Then I make another video.
Oh.
Bye. Fire truck, say bye. Everyone say bye.
Bye.
All right, bye, everyone.